Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. This video will be a Forex market update for the upcoming week. I will go through one of the major pairs, doing a top-down analysis on them and show you my macro direction on the certain currencies and see if we have some possible setups. And yeah, guys, if you like the video, make sure to drop it a like, a subscribe, and also share it if you find it helpful. Don't forget to drop me a comment if you want to leave out some new video ideas. And yeah, let's just jump straight into this video. So first of all, I picked up EURUSD. So first of all, what I like to do is to come on the weekly time frame to mark up my zones. Uh, I will mark up like the recent zones. I don't have to go back in 2014, it's no need for that. I will draw some support and resistance. We can see we have a resistance here that EURUSD recently bounced off. Another support right here. I mean, it's a long way till EURUSD will get to this support, but I'll just draw it anyways. After this, what I like to do is to draw the market structure. So we have a higher high here, a higher low, a lower high, and then boom, this is a lower low. Okay, so we are currently in a downtrend because we had a break of structure on the weekly right here. So this right here would be a lower low. Okay, so what I like to do is put a lower low and a W to know that it's from the weekly time frame. Okay, I would like to put it here to keep my weekly bias in mind. Okay, after that I will just drop on the daily time frame. Okay, and on the daily time frame I will do the same. I will draw some support and resistance zones. Okay, recalibrate basically. So as we can see on the daily time frame, we are also on a downtrend, this being our previous lower high that created a lower low. That's also the lower low from the weekly. Let me just draw a daily lower high here. Okay, boom, lower high LHD to know that it's from the daily. We'll put it right up here. Okay, and we can see, guys, that we are in a clear downtrend. Okay, we are in a clear downtrend. I would also like to draw a channel because we are in a bearish channel right here. It's very easy to see. Okay, let me draw this channel right like this. One sec. Okay, now what I like to do is to clone them and boom. Okay, so as you can see, we kind of bounced off this channel. We bounced out of this channel. Okay, let me clone this again to put this line right here and do it one more time, and boom. Okay, this is our bearish channel. Okay, so as we can see, we have a break of the channel on the daily time frame, and now it's retesting. Okay, so this could possibly be a break and retest and then go up to this lower high. But yeah, I'm still bearish. I mean, unless this lower high breaks and gets retested, I'm still bearish. But of course, we can see a retest and going upside all the way here. Or what else we can see? We can draw a fib retracement right from the LHD, from the lower high of the daily, all the way here. And we could just go up to this golden zone right here and then bounced down for a new lower low. That's also a possible scenario. Okay, let me draw my golden zone right here. I like to draw it like this, a bit smaller. Okay, this is my golden zone. And yeah, like we have different scenarios that can play out. That's why I'm gonna go to the H4. And on H4, what I would like to do is to confirm some entries. So if I see a bullish candlestick pattern form right here, I would enter a nice long position. Okay, so let's say we get the three white soldiers pattern, we get three bullish candlesticks, then I will enter a buy around here. Oh wait, sorry, a long position here. This is a possible play. I will place my stop loss around here. My take profit would be the 618. This could be the first take profit. Then I would trail my stop loss if price gets there and put the take profit all the way up there, which would give me a 1 to 5 risk to reward. And of course, if you want, you can just go only to the 618 and you'll get a nice 1.2 risk to reward ratio. That's a possible entry, but we can also have this is our possible entry if we get some bullish candlestick patterns, okay, for a buy. But yeah, keep in mind that EURUSD might just flush back into the channel and then trend here. This is just a possible entry, okay. It's not confirmed yet. This is something that I would just look at. And if not, then if you want to take only sells, then you could wait for price to arrive at this area, okay, right here at the 618 area. And then if you want, you can enter a sell right there, okay. You can enter a short position right there with the take profit being around here and stop loss above the 71.6. And yeah, you can even aim this right here, which would give you a 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio. This could be another possible entry. And the third one could be this one. If price comes to the lower high, to the previous lower high, you can either enter a sell right here and then go straight down, or it can go up, and then if it breaks and retests, you can enter a buy right here and go long, okay. So these are the possible entries for EURUSD in my opinion. You just got to keep it simple. Some good confluences will be to take a look at the oscillator as well to see where it's at, you know. That's also helpful. And yeah, this could be some possible entries on EURUSD. Now let's move on to a next pair. What should we choose? Let's choose GBPUSD because I know a lot of you like to trade GBPUSD. I will go to the weekly time frame. Let me delete all this. Okay, this is some old stuff that I drew. Let me quickly delete it. Sorry for waiting, guys. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we are on the weekly time frame on GBP USD. Let's draw our zones, support, resistance. We have our support right here. That GBP USD bounced pretty strong. You can see a very strong bounce. Now we just go to the daily time frame. Okay. So we can see that GBP USD is approaching this lower high level right here. That is very crucial, okay? Very crucial zone. Let me actually draw this zone right here, okay? And also text it because it's a important zone. LHD, LHD. Okay, and we can text the lower low. It's no need for it to be texted. Okay, so as you can see, GBPUSD was also in a downwards channel as EURUSD. It kind of breaked out, and here is what we need to see if it will retest and then go up. But we also gotta keep in mind that if I put a fib right here, we are at a crucial spot on the fib level. Okay, so sometimes what price likes to do is to go even further than the 61.8 and bounce off this area. So this right here could be a sniper short position. We kind of have the bearish engulfings, the pin bar, the candlestick patterns we needed. Okay, this right here could be a possible entry, putting our stop loss right above the LHD. It would give us a 1 to 3 risk to reward, a very nice swing trade entry. But of course, if you feel like this is too vague and you don't have that much confirmations, you can wait. We can also see that the oscillator is overbought, so this could be another confluence. We can see that it actually did form a hidden bearish divergence because this high right here is actually lower than this one, and it's actually the opposite on the real chart. So this could be another confluence. So this could be a short position, a possible short position, swing trade short position. But as I said, if you want to play it safe and don't risk it, you can just wait for price to approach the LHD to see how it reacts to it. If you see bearish pressure, bearish candlestick patterns forming around this area, then you can enter or sell there. If you see this happening, right here, let me show you. If you see price doing this and then boom, straight up and forming some bullish candlestick patterns, you can enter a buy position right here. After you get the confluences, place the stop loss underneath and the take profit, the resistance zone. That could also be a possible setup. And yeah, just keep in mind, just track where the market is showing you. And if you decide to enter, just make sure you checked all those confirmations, because that's very, very important. Okay. And yeah, just keep it simple. Like, as you can see, guys, I keep it really simple with my swing trades, with my analysis. And yeah, let's just go through one more pair. I don't want to take you guys too much of your time. Uh, if you want me to do analysis on certain pairs, just let me know, okay? In the comment section. I can do that in the next videos, of course. Just let me know what pairs you want me to analyze, okay? And yeah, let's go on gold because I know a lot of you like to trade gold. Let me delete all of this. Okay. Let me delete everything. Okay. We also did some markups previously on gold. I even said bullish bias and then gold bounced off. That's pretty good. Okay. Let me delete all of this nonsense. Okay. So we are almost done. Okay, so here we are on gold on the weekly time frame. Let me draw my support and resistance quickly. Okay, this is my previous resistance on the weekly, and we can see a support right here, this area. Okay, it's not that hard to identify. Right now, it's pretty hard to tell you where gold is at, if it's in a buy or a downtrend, okay? Because it's pretty much consolidating. If we look at the market structure, we created a higher high here, and this could be a higher low, and then it could create another higher high, but that's not very clear to see, as look, this, let me show you a clear example. Okay, so this is a very clear example. Boom, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is a very clear example of market structure. So if we don't have that yet, let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay, and on the daily time frame, we can actually see that we are in a small uptrend. Okay, let me mark up these zones right here on the daily. We have a resistance zone right there and a support zone right here. That price bounced off. This is the higher high, the previous higher high on the daily. Okay, let me draw it HHD. Okay, we put it right here. This was the higher low, and if we draw a fib actually from this higher low to this higher high, I mean, to be honest with you, this is not a higher high. I mean, short term it is a higher high because we can see price doing this right here, this up down movements, but this right here was like the higher high, then this was the higher low, and then now we should create a new higher high. Okay, so that's not very accurate either. So I'm not seeing that much on gold, even on the daily time frame. Yeah, you can see some bearish pressure here, but you just cannot be like, okay, let me sell this all the way down to 70.85, because I don't think that will happen. It's not that easy. We have to see some other confluences. Okay, so I would go to the H4 and see if we have something on the H4. And as you guys can see on the H4, it's not that much to be seen either. It's a lot of consolidation, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and now we are slowly coming down. So gold has entered in a consolidation zone, and now what you guys need to wait for to be safe is for gold to either do this, boom, 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 and enter a long position right there. Okay, right there, we take profit there, stop loss around here. That would be a 1 to, let me put a bigger stop loss, 1 to 4 risk to reward. Or you could wait for gold to do this, boom, 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 and enter a short position right here, stop loss right here, take profit right here for also a 1 to 4-ish risk to reward. That's the play I would go for now, because I mean, of course you could get into a sell here hoping for gold flush all the way here, but as I said, there's not many confirmations for you to get into a sell like that. But I mean, yeah, we have a hidden bearish divergence on the oscillator. That could be a confirmation, but it's a little bit risky for me. Okay, I think this is a pretty risky entry in my opinion. But yeah, of course, this is not financial advice. Do what you think it would be best for you. This is just my personal opinion, and this could be just two possible plays on gold. You just need to wait to see how the market reacts. Okay, and yeah, guys, this was pretty much it for today's video for the Forex market update. I hope you guys liked the video, and also if you want to learn more about my strategies, about the way I trade, and specifically learn my strategies, just make sure to DM me on Telegram. I will leave you my Telegram link down below in the description. And yeah, guys, have a nice Sunday.